Hey guys, my name's Kelsey.
My name is Becky.
And we're the Sorry Girls. And today we're at the dollar store doing another dollar store challenge.
We're in a new dollar store, not our regular one.
I think that they have this same dollar store in the United States, so it might be better for any of you guys in the United States. And things might be a little bit cheaper.
I don't know what they sell here, so we're gonna find out. And the theme this week is decor / room decor. Just make something decory.
Let's see what we can find.
Yes, nothing needs to be changed about these. They are perfect as they are. Wait, these though.
There are so many DIY supplies at this dollar store. It's like scrapbooking paper. I don't know if that really works though, because then we're just like using craft store supplies.
Okay, I love good lighting and really cool lighting, lamps and stuff, so maybe there's something here. They have a million flashlights and push lights.
I have an idea. I think I have an idea.
Okay, wait, I have an idea. I think this is gonna be so perfect. Okay, we're back and I'm gonna show you what I got. So the first thing I got is this metal wire garbage can thing, and I think everything here pretty much was $1.25, which is pretty good. And then to go with that, I have this giant push light that is like a closet light. And then I saw these, and they're basically like the mini-me's of this guy, and they're just so cute. So I was like, I have to get them because they're meant to be together. I couldn't separate them. And then to complete it, I picked up this black cord, which is cool. I've never seen like cord or rope that's like black. It's very chic looking, especially for the dollar store. I also saw, and I filmed it, these little tiny wooden like blocks that I could use as beads, but I remembered that we had wooden beads at the office, and like, I don't want to be wasteful, but just so you guys know, if you did want to do beads, they sell them at the dollar store. So with all of these things, I'm going to attempt to make a hanging macrame pendant light. I hope it works. So first step is going to actually make the light work as a light, and then we'll get into making it look cute after. I know this isn't the most ideal way to do a light. It should go to like an outlet with a cord and a light bulb, but they didn't have all those supplies because it's a dollar store. But I think this will be really easy to operate anyways. So it takes some batteries, which just stole these from the office. And hopefully this is pretty bright. I don't know. Uh-oh. I mean, so the challenge I have now is getting this to stay up in here. I was just kind of hoping that it had like a giant sticky bit on the back, but it does not. So this became a little bit more effort than I thought it was gonna be, but don't worry, I got this. Baby screwdriver, where are you? I'm just gonna glue rope to this and then I'll tie it on. Okay, so my light is up in my trash can, soon to be hanging light. And I think I'm gonna take these two little desk organizers and hang them maybe one above and one below as kind of like a tiered lamp system. And to attach it all together, I'm just gonna use the black cord that I got and like do a macrame thing. Okay, so I'm making 9 long strings of this black cord and looping them at the top and tying them in a giant knot. And this is how I will hang my light. And then from there, I'm splitting it up into groups of 3 and just doing basic braids. So making 3 braids out of these strings. Okay, so the basic way to do macrame is to just split all your ropes into little pairs and then knot them to the pair beside it, basically. And it's okay if you have an odd number, because I did, because I was doing braids. You can just make a group of 3 instead of a group of 2. And I find that when I'm doing a bigger object, it's easy to sometimes put it on top so you know that your knots are the right tightness. Okay, so this is pretty much done and it's looking really cute. I think I decided to not throw the little cups in. You totally could do it. I'm just feeling like it's looking a bit complicated already as it is. But I did have this thought that it'd be so cute if you flip these right side up and then macrame little ones. You could put little like tea lights in them or little plants, and that would be super cute. But maybe we'll save that for another video. Now the last thing that I really want to do is just trim the ends. So I'm going to cut them a little bit shorter and I think open up the little braid that they come with so that it's more like fringy. And then that'll be it. Okay, so my little macrame hanging light is complete and it's pretty cute. I'm actually impressed. This is all dollar store stuff, so to turn it on and off, you just have to go and push the push light, but that's not too difficult. It doesn't require an outlet or anything, which is great. So let's get this hung up and see how it looks, and then I can't wait to see what Kelsey's making because I have no clue.
So from the dollar store,
I picked up a couple of different things. I got these sun catcher paint sets, and this is actually what kind of inspired what I wanted to do, but I'm not going to be using their templates. I'm just going to be using these for the paint. And I got two just in case, because I wanted to mix the colors to make new colors, and I didn't want to run out of paint. And then I also picked up some puffy fabric paint. I'm not going to be using it on fabric, but I think it'll be fine. I also got some suction cups. Do you have suction cups? Cool, thank you. This has suction cups on it. Wait, did you hear me?
I was literally there in the aisle in front of these when you're asking about them, and I'm like, oh.
Thanks. And a 2-frame set, and I'm going to be using the glass out of these frames because I'm going to be making a glass sun catcher with like the faux stained glass type of look. I also have this gold chain that I'm going to use from here at the office. The first thing I'm going to do is take my frames, take the glass out of the frames, and then use my glass cutter to cut some cool shapes. So I have my glass pieces cut, they're looking pretty, but I think the first thing I'm going to do is glue the chain onto it. So I'm just gonna take a little piece of this chain that we have left over and just super glue it. I know this isn't ideal, but the glass is super light and I think I can get it nicely secured onto the back. And while that dries, I'm actually going to swap out these ugly little silver hooks that have an abnormally big hoop on the top for something that I can DIY out of this wire that we have left over from a certain jewelry video, if you guys want to check that out. So the suction cups and chains are looking good and they're all attached, and now the final thing is to paint it. I think that the paint that it comes with is like very watery, so I think that you need like the puffy paint to kind of like keep in the edges, and if this was real stained glass, I guess this kind of mimics like the soldering metal that's kind of in between all the pieces of glass. Not an expert, but that's what I think. So I have this green puffy paint that's going to mimic my soldering / raised edge effect. Okay, my design is all drawn out. Apparently maybe it's something out of Zelda, says Becky. I just went for like a geometric, kind of like modern sun catcher design because I was looking at sun catchers online and they're all, you know, very vintage looking, very nature inspired. And once this puffy paint is dry, I'm just gonna go in there with the sun catcher paint that I got from the dollar store. So I tried to mix some of the colors to make some even more fun colors, but that wasn't really working with this type of paint. So I just used what I had. They turned out pretty cute, pretty colorful. I'm excited to hang these up and see how they catch the light. All right, what do you guys think of those DIYs? This time we're gonna have a poll so that you can vote who you think did the DIY dollar store decor better.
Tell me who you think won.
Whatever.
I'm just kidding. I think that yours was amazing. Mine was unique.
Ours is both like light inspired.
Yeah, that's true actually.
Shining the light, catching the light.
Yeah, tell us your thoughts below too if you think that we could have done something differently. And also, please let us know what type of thing you want us to do next time, because we always check the comments for inspo. Yeah. Last time, I mean, there was a lot of pet stuff, and we will get to that. But I also saw some stuff for decor, so that's why we did that this time.
I think storage would be interesting. I was thinking about that. And let us know if you like us going to a different dollar store.
Yes.
Also, that one was a little bit cheaper, so. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a like.
And if you love it and want to see more exciting stuff from us, make sure you sub it.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.